What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be unboxing Peppa Pig mini campers. My son loves Peppa Pig, so we got him this dino park for Christmas, and I noticed that the figures looked very familiar. I got one of these surprise mini campers before I got the gift, and it turns out they are the same style as the ones that come in the dino park. There are 12 characters that you can collect, so I decided to get 3 more, and hopefully they will all be different characters. We're gonna start out with the yellow camper. And we got Muddy Puddles George. I think his outfit is hilarious. And all of the boy characters can bend the legs. Here are all the characters that you can collect and all of the play sets that are available. Next is the purple camper, and in this one we got Peppa Pig with flowers. Last one is the blue camper, and in this one we got Susie Sheep. As you can see, the legs do not bend on the girl figures. Thank you guys so much for watching. These were so much fun to unbox. If you want to watch more of these, let me know in the comments below. Till next time.